Straight up, let's get you the latest on the Ghatkopar collapse. We learned that on June 20th, Sunil Shitap had applied for cancellation of license of the nursing home. After a month, the BMC officials inspected the site and submitted a report saying the nursing home was shut and no construction was going on. However, residents alleged that construction work was going on behind closed doors, hinting at a nexus between BMC officials and Sunil Shitap. Disha joins me now from the location, from the building, the site of the building that collapsed. Disha, you spoke with residents. They are alleging that there was construction work going on behind closed doors over there.
That's right, Kavita. Residents and the survivors we spoke to here, what they told us is that not only a week, but the construction and illegal work here on the nursing home, which was situated on the residential, ground floor of the residential society, started 15 to 20 days back, and almost 15 to 20 workers used to come here daily on the spot. And like you rightly pointed out, that last month only, the accused Sunil Shitap, who is in the police custody right now, he had sent an application clearly for cancellation of licenses of this nursing home. And what the biggest revelation here is that he wanted to construct a beer bar on the ground floor of this residential society. And exactly after a month, BMC official, they inspected this site and they sent a report categorically saying that the nursing home was shut and there was no illegal activity or construction going on. So here there's a big nexus that we can see between the accused and the BMC.
Disha, of course, we know that this has been the topic of discussion in the Maharashtra State Assembly as well. The state government is seized of the issue and they are talking about inquiring into the entire issue. There is an inquiry that will be constituted. What are you picking up on that front?
Certainly, Kavita, if I can ask my camera person to zoom in just as we speak, the additional commissioner of the eastern suburbs here in the BMC, Vijay Singhal, is present here. He's talking to the residents right now. He is one of the person who has been appointed from the two-member committee who will submit a report in the 15 days to the BMC commissioner who will eventually submit it to the CM, because the CM had stated a probe. And as you can see, this is his first inspection right now, and he is talking to the residents. But other important news that is just coming in, Kavita, as we speak, is that BMC has started raising and demolishing the illegal structures that Sunil Shitap had occupied. First and foremost, here only in the area of Ghatkopar, BMC just a half an hour to 1 hour back, they demolished the illegal structure, and they are going to demolish more structures because they say the number is huge.
Disha, any idea how many structures belonging to Sunil Shitap could be raised by the BMC?
At this point on how many structures, that is a little uncertain, because BMC themselves, they are trying to get the information first hand. They do not know the exact count, but they definitely, what they told us is that there could be possibly more than 10 illegal structures that were occupied by the accused Sunil Shitap, and this is the first one that they have started demolishing here in Ghatkopar, and they will continue this process unless and until they get all the illegal structures that were taken by Sunil Shitap.
Also, in this entire matter, like you said, if there was construction going on behind closed doors and the BMC was aware of it, there would be an officer, the officer who came in for certification. Has the BMC zeroed in on that officer? Have they revealed the name of this officer, and what action are they taking against their own officials?
So BMC is very tight-lipped about this particular information at this point in time. What we understand is that when we asked the BMC on this particular subject, what they told us is that the inquiry is on and only after 15 days. And that is why the two-member committee, the Vijay Singhal, who's the BMC additional commissioner, he is here. He is talking to the residents, and only after inquiry they'll be in a better position to talk. But right now they are very tight-lipped about the entire inquiry.
Right. And finally, Disha, yesterday the Chief Minister also spoke about providing alternate accommodation for all these people who've lost their homes in that building collapse. What news on that front?
Certainly, the residents, the survivors here, they spoke and they met the Chief Minister yesterday, and they had put forth their grievances that they do not have alternate accommodation and they do not have a shelter to stay in right now at this point. And the Chief Minister has promised them, saying that in 10 days' time, he will try and arrange for an alternate accommodation. He will also try and compensate the survivors with 5 lakh rupees. But 10 days from now, we will have to wait as to what is the alternate accommodation that the Chief Minister will provide to the survivors.
Right, Disha, thank you for getting us those updates. Of course, Disha had also caught up with some of the residents earlier on. Listen into what they had to say.
दोनों जगह की कहानियां बतानी चाहिए. एक बीएमसी हमें ये कहता है कि यहाँ पर there is no construction. Excuse me, there was a construction. 18 to 20 days the construction happened. My dad, who is age 68, who has little brains, and he has went and told every time, do not do this construction. जो तीनों के तीनों floors है, he has tried to move the pillars. Do you understand the meaning of moving the pillars? You move the pillars from in between the house, the building comes crashing inside, which is exactly what happened. I just spoke to my mom yesterday. She was recollecting this horrifying incident of her life where she told me she heard 3 thuds, which means she heard 3 thuds and she thought that the building was shaking a little. She moved out to look outside from the grill what was happening. We are based on the 4th floor. She said people down were already gathered and saying, Bhabhi, niche utro, mar jaoge. Now she had little brains. She moved on the side. Before she could even take an instant decision, it was all down. I wish to know from the BMC, how did they give this statement? Who is that man who came from the BMC? कौन था वो जिसने ये आकर यहाँ पे जांच की? उसकी आंखें, मैं अपनी आंखें दूंगी उसको निकाल के, आके देखो कहाँ और कैसे नहीं हो रहा था कंस्ट्रक्शन. हमने क्यों कंप्लेन नहीं किया? इसलिए कंप्लेन नहीं किया, शताब का ये वर्ड्स है, मिस्टर गुंडा राज शताब का ये वर्ड्स है, एक जेब में पुलिस, एक जेब में बीएमसी, ऊपर तक पहचान, जो करना है कर ले. काम चालू था, काम चालू जैसे हॉस्पिटल बंद हो गई वैसे काम चालू कर दिया. काम चालू होने के बाद अंदर का जो सपोर्ट था सब उसने निकाल दिया, क्योंकि बियर बार बनाना था. उसके 30-32 बियर बार है, बड़े दादा लोग आते हैं. ऊपर फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे एक ऑफिस बनाया है जिसमें बड़े ऑफिसर लोग आके पार्टी करते हैं. पार्टी करने के बाद रात को खा पी के चले आते हैं. लाइसेंस देने वाले वो लोग है. उसको बोलने गए तो बोलता है तुम लोग को जो करना है वो करो, सब मेरा बंदोबस्त हो गया. बिल्डिंग को कुछ होगा तो मैं देख लूंगा, तुम लोग को करने क्या है.
Sir, do you believe BMC officials have been claiming that they had inspected this site and they had submitted a report clearly saying that the nursing home was shut and there was no illegal activity as such? But do you think in the first place that were there any BMC officials at this site 4 days or 5 days before this incident happened?
See, BMC officials should not have given that such kind of report. Before giving that report, they should have come to us and they should have made an inquiry through us also. So why didn't they inquire us first and then they have submitted the report that there was no construction activity? 20 days ago, Shitab himself at 8 o'clock, he had come with a watchman, security guard. He called 2 or 3 members of the society. He said that I'm going to carry out some safety measures, pillars and all I'm going to repair because it has become very dangerous. So for the time being, I'll take out all the instrument and all, I'll keep it as a godown over there, and those things are there, lying there outside. And I'll have this watchman which will be guarding that place. And immediately after that, means 20 to 18 days ago, he started all this construction through such a speedily, like he bought all the walls down. He amalgamated all his 3 flats. It is illegal thing. Then why BMC is not bringing all this thing in his report actually?
Between the BMC and what is happening here, there is definitely a nexus. I think we all should fight for this, because I wish to know the BMC official. We all wish to know who has carried out this. I wish to know the name of the person. Please help me out with that. I would request Fire to look into this and help us out with this. I am sure, Fire, you will be able to do justice when you get this to your show. I have signed all your campaigns. I wish to get justice. Help me get justice. Let's run this show till the time I don't get justice for this.
रिपोर्ट्स और काफी बीएमसी का ये भी कहना है कि कुछ एक्टिविटी नहीं हो रहा था, आप लोग घर पे रह रहे थे, आप लोग बिल्डिंग में रह रहे थे, आप बताइए सच्चाई क्या है?
18 से 20 दिन से काम चालू था, उसकी वजह से काफी हमारे घर भी वाइब्रेट हो रहे थे। तो मेरे हस्बैंड बोलते भी थे कि हिल रहा है क्या, तो मैं बोली क्योंकि इनसे काफी उससे झगड़ा हो चुके थे कई बार, और इस समय उनकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, इस वजह से मैं उनको बहका देती थी, नहीं आपको ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है करके, लेकिन रियल में हो रहा था वो चीज। इन्होंने जाके ऑब्जेक्शन भी लिया कि आप भाई काम बंद करो, थोड़ा धीरे रखो। बहुत एक दिन तो इतना था कि मतलब पूरा कान ऐसा लग रहा था कि जाम हो गया है करके, बहुत तकलीफ थी सबको। सब ने बारी बारी जाके मतलब बिल्डिंग वाले जाके उनको बोलते ही थे भाई थोड़ा कम, दोपहर में 1 घंटा ली, कुछ न, जो सुबह से चालू होता था रात को कितने बजे तक।
कितने आदमी काम करते थे अगर कंस्ट्रक्शन काम?
15 आदमी करते थे, और रोज इतना जोर शोर से आवाज आता था, मैं रोज जाती थी बोलने को आदमी लोग को। मेरा घर पूरा ऐसा ऐसा हलता था वाइब्रेशन से, और मैं वो जो डर में रहती थी वो डर में ही मेरे को भगवान ने उधर से निकाल दिया, और मैं निकली और बच गई। आज मैं ओनली वन नहीं हूँ।
पूछती हूँ आपको, मेरी बहन गई है, बहन मेरी सास गई है, मेरी छोटी बेटी गई है, हो क्या रहा है? तब हो रहा था, तब क्या करे थे पुलिस लोग, सब लोग क्या करे, मुंह देख रहे हैं सबका। आज एक फैमिली डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं हुई है, पूरी की पूरी बिल्डिंग गिर गई नीचे। हो क्या रहा है इंडिया में?
3 महीने से यहाँ पर आया हूँ, जस्ट 3 मंथ्स अब। बीएमसी ये प्रूव करके बतावे कि कोई भी इलीगल जो रेसिडेंशियल एरिया है, रेसिडेंशियल एरिया में कमर्शियल का तुम प्लान देते हो नर्सिंग होम खोलने के लिए, उसका प्रूफ है क्या उनके पास? एनओसी है सोसाइटी की, परमिशन दिया हुआ है, चलो ठीक है मानता हूँ, चलो 8 साल 9 साल पहले किया हुआ है, बरोबर है। जब बीएमसी आई 2 सेकेंड, और उसके बाद अभी भी तुम रिनोवेशन कर रहा है, वो रिनोवेशन के टाइम पे भी एनओसी लिया है सोसाइटी का, है उसके पास कोई प्रूफ तो बता देवे, कुछ भी प्रूफ नहीं है। आज तुम्हारा माफिया राज, गुंडा राज कर रहे हो, शिवसेना गुंडा राज कर दी। आज डर नहीं रहे क्या? किसी को डर रखो। आज मेरे घर के, मेरी माँ, मेरी वाइफ, मेरी 3 महीने की बच्ची, क्या कसूर था उसका? अब मेरे 3 का पैसा जमा करके इधर घर लिया था, ये सोच के नहीं कि इधर, अगर मेरे को ये पता था ना कि ये घर में अगर यहाँ पर ऐसा है तो मैं लेने भी नहीं देता।
So clearly here the residents are saying that there was construction activity which was going on for the past 15 to 20 days, and BMC inspection report clearly is not revealing the truth, and they were also being threatened by the accused Sunil Shitap, who is in police custody right now. This is Disha Shah for Mirror Now.
Now, Mirror Now believes that authorities who run our cities should be held accountable for any inefficiency on their part that causes physical harm to citizens or endangers their life. On your screens is a petition that we intend to present to the Prime Minister's office. Sign this petition if you believe it is time to fix accountability for civic negligence. Sign if you think it is time we hold our elected representatives and bureaucrats responsible for doing their jobs.